Hello everyone. Today we are going to study how to calculate the value of transfer function with the help of Bode plot. So in this particular question number 3.13, as we can see that a simple Bode plot is to be given, and with the help of this Bode plot we need to calculate the value of transfer function. So the basic method behind the generation of the transfer function with the help of Bode plot is that the complete transfer function will be divided into different sub transfer functions, and that sub transfer functions is to be calculated based on the change in the value of the slope. So if we consider this particular question, so here there are three different positions where actually the slope of this Bode plot is going to be changed. First change in the value of slope is at the frequency of 5 into 10 to the power 3 here. Then second change in the slope of the transfer function is at the frequency of omega 2, this one, and third change in the value of slope is at the frequency of omega 3. So in these three frequencies different transfer function we are getting. At the value of 5 into 10 to the power 3, the value of transfer function is T1 of s. When the value of frequency is omega 2, respective to that there is a change in the value of slope, and corresponding to that frequency the value of calculated transfer function is T2 of s. And similarly, when the value of frequency is omega 3, the value of transfer function is T3 of s. So complete transfer function is to be calculated by the formula, that is this one. If it is equation number 1, then complete transfer function is equal to k into T1 of s, T2 of s and T3 of s. So by this equation number 1, it is clear that for the calculation of complete transfer function, first of all we need to calculate the value of k. So how to calculate the value of k? So there is a simple formula by which we can calculate the value of k. That formula is that 20 log to the base 10 into k is equal to starting value of the curve. Starting value of the curve means the position of the amplitude in the y axis where the slope is starting. So here you can see that the starting value of the slope is at 0 degree. That means at the initial position. That's why we are substituting here the value of starting value of the curve is at 0 dB. So 20 log to the base 10 into k is equal to 0 dB, and after simplification we are getting the value of k is equal to 1. So at starting value of the curve we have calculated the value of k is equal to 1. Now the second parameter is T1 of s, and the simple formula for the calculation of any transfer function is represented here. Basic form of any transfer function, T of s is equal to 1 plus s by omega to the power p, where omega is corresponding change in to the value of frequency. So T1 of s is calculated when the value of frequency is 5 into 10 to the power 3 here. So the value of omega will be 5 into 10 to the power 3. Now how to calculate the value of this p? P is the power, and the value of that power is change in value of slope divided by 6 or 20. This 6 or 20 is nothing but the slope of this Bode plot. If slope is to be mentioned in the form of octave, so that will be represented in the form of 6 dB plus 12 dB, 18 dB, 20 is 4 dB, similarly like that. But in case of decades, it would be represented in the form of 20, 40, 60, 80 like that. And 6 dB per octave is nothing but is equal to 20 dB per decades. So the formula for the calculation of this P is complete change in the value of slope divided by 6 or 20. So if we are interested to calculate the value of T1s, so we go to this step number 2. So for calculation of T1s, the value of T1s will be how much? 1 plus s by omega 1 to the power P1. So omega 1 is what? 5 into 10 to the power 3. Now what is P1? P1 is change in the value of slope. That means final slope. So this is your middle point. Frequency is your middle point. And this plot is moving towards in this direction. So final value of slope is plus 6 dB per octave, and initial value of slope is this one, 0 dB per octave. So complete change is how much? Plus 6 minus 0, here it is written P1 is equal to plus 6 minus 0 divided by 6. Why 6? It is represented in octave. So P1 is equal to 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. So here the value of P1 calculated as 1. So complete value of this transfer function T1 of s is equal to 1 plus s by 5 into 10 to the power 3. Similar to that, in third step, already we have calculated the value of k, then T1 of s. Now we need to calculate the value of T2 of s. T2 of s is when the value of frequency is omega 2. When the value of frequency is omega 2 and the value of slope is how much? What is slope? Slope is represented here. This is the particular slope. So based on this frequency omega 2, final value of slope is minus 6 dB per octave. Initial value of slope is plus 6 dB per octave. So if we are interested to calculate the value of this P2, so P2 will be how much? Minus 6 minus plus of 6 divided by 6. What is P2? Minus 6 plus minus plus of 6 divided by 6. So what is the value of P2? Minus 12 divided by 6 is equal to minus 2. But we don't know what is the value of this omega 2. So first of all we need to calculate the value of this omega 2. So how to calculate this omega 2? So omega 2 can be calculated with the help of equation of slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. But here what is x? X is in logarithmic scale. So x2 and x1 will be in the form of log of x2 minus log of x1. So my formula will be like this: slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by log of x2 minus log of x1. So here what is final value of slope is? What is final value of slope? Is omega 3. So if we are comparing it with y2 and y1, so what is y2? Y2 is nothing but plus 6. What is y1? Is 0. What is x2? X2 is omega 2. And what is x1? X1 is 5 into 10 to the power 3. So these values if we are substituting here, and what is slope? Slope is nothing but here. What is the value of slope? Slope is plus 6 dB per octave. But already I told you plus 6 dB per octave is nothing but 20 dB per decades. So here I am changing the value of 6 dB per octave to 20 dB per decades. Why this change is here? If we will calculate the value in the terms of 6 dB, then the base of the log will be 2. So for simplification of the calculation, I am going to change it from 6 dB per octave to 20 dB per decades. Why? Because the 20 dB per decades calculation will be in the base of 10, logarithmic base 10. So this calculation would be easier. So in slope portion, I am changing this slope is equal to 20. Slope is equal to 20, and after simplification, we can see that the value of omega 2 calculated as 10 to the power 4 radians per second. Now substituting into the simple formula, this one 1 plus s by omega. What is omega? Omega is nothing but omega 2. So T2 of s is equal to 1 plus s by 10 to the power 4. And what is P2? P2 is nothing but here at this particular frequency change in slope. So final slope is minus 6 dB per octave. Initial slope is plus 6 dB per octave. So complete change is final slope minus initial slope. So minus 6 minus plus 6 minus 6 minus plus 6 divided by 6. So P2 will be equal to minus 12 divided by minus 2. So that is equal to minus 2. So here the value of slope is how much? Minus 2. So calculated value of T2 of S is 1 plus S by 10 to the power 4 to the power minus 2. So two parameters we have calculated. Now we are going to calculate the third parameter T3 of S. So for calculation of T3 of S, same procedure we are going to repeat here. Here also we do not know the value of omega 3. So first of all we need to calculate the value of this omega 3. And for calculation of that, again I am using this formula, slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by log of x2 minus x1. So here the value of y2 is nothing but 0, y1 is nothing but 6, x2 is omega 3 and x1 is omega 2. And what is the value of slope? What is the value of slope? So here the value of slope is, this is the final slope, minus 6 dB per octave. Minus 6 in terms of decades, that will be minus 20. So I changed the value of minus 6 is equal to minus 20, that is why slope is minus 20. So minus 20 is equal to 0 minus 6 divided by log omega 3 minus log omega 2. Already we have calculated the value of omega 2 is equal to 10 to the power 4. So after substituting these values, we have calculated the value of omega 3 is 20 into 10 to the power 3 radians per second. And after substituting in the formula of T3 of S, the formula for T3 of S will be 1 plus S by omega 3 to the power P3. What is omega 3? All we have calculated the value of omega 3 is 20 into 10 to the power 3. Now what is P3? P3 is change in the value of slope. So here final slope is 0 dB per decades, 0 dB per octave. Initial slope is minus 6 dB per octave. So complete change is 0 minus minus of 6 divided by 6. So what will be the value of P3? 6 divided by 6 will be nothing but 1. So we have calculated the value of P3 as 1. So after substituting all the parameters, the value of T3 of S is equal to 1 plus S by 20 to 10 to the power 3 to the power 1. Now substitute these values in equation number 1. The value of K calculated is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 3 and T of S is this one. So by this we can see how we have calculated the value of transfer function. So this is the basic procedure for the calculation of the transfer function of any kind of the Bode plot. So any kind of the Bode plot can be calculated with the help of this particular procedure. Thank you.